Imagine working 40 years, saving carefully, doing everything right, and still realizing it may not be enough. Hi, I'm Paul, and if retirement feels harder than you expected, you are not alone. Most retirees plan for the retirement economy of 2005, not the economy we're living in today. Groceries are higher, electricity is higher, medical aid is higher, fuel is definitely higher, and every increase quietly eats into your savings. This is what nobody tells you. Retirement is no longer just about how you saved. It's about whether your money can keep growing after you stop working. And that's why so many retirees are now searching for passive income ideas, online businesses for beginners, affiliate marketing for seniors, work from home jobs, flexible retirement income, because relying on one fixed income stream is becoming really dangerous. Affiliate marketing has become one of the fastest growing online income opportunities for retirees. Why? Because it's simple. You partner with companies that already sell products online. When somebody buys through your recommendation, you earn a commission. No stock, no warehouse, or no complicated business model. And thanks to automated tools, many systems today run 24 hours a day. That means your content, emails, or funnels can continue working even while you sleep. This is why so many retirees are beginning to build online income streams, passive income systems, digital marketing business, beginner-friendly side hustles from the comfort of their home. Retirement was supposed to be your reward, not your biggest financial fear. If you want to explore how beginners are learning affiliate marketing and building online income from home, comment ready below or follow the link in my bio. Your future income may depend on adapting to the world we live in now.